Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing two different DIYs for my bathroom using Dollar Tree items, along with trying out this new Sztrokia essential oil diffuser. So the first thing you're going to need is two of these frames from the Dollar Tree, and I am just using this ivory colored chalk paint, and then I am just going to paint these. I did 3 coats total, and you can still see some of the black through the frame, but that was totally okay, so it kind of looked like a little distressed, and I really liked the way it turned out with just 3 coats.
The trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet, cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined.
So I'm going to try to make these look like floating frames, so you're not going to need the back to the frame, and then I'm just going to hot glue, and then I am just going to glue the glass back into place.
Can't go on. Yeah, I must be strong, 'cause I'm way.
And then I finally found these cute little succulent wall decals from the Dollar Tree. I was so excited to use these, and I got this one on a little crooked to start with, so I did end up taking it off and fixing it, but they come off so easy. So I did this to 2 of them. I really liked these like green colors. Our bathroom is gray, so I thought this would just look so cute with it, and it was like just the easiest DIY. And then now I'm just going to take this little glass vase and some moss. I have not used moss in forever, so you guys know how excited I was in succulents. These are just, it's my thing, guys, and I felt like it was for a bathroom, so even though fall time is coming up, like, you don't have to have your bathroom, you know, everything doesn't have to be fall in your house. And then this is what it looks like when they are up. I just used some twine around the top to hang them, but I think these look so cute, and I was so happy with the way they turned out. And then I just got this little cake stand from Target a couple years ago, and then I just put these succulent pumpkins on that I made along with that vase of succulents. And then now I'm going to be trying out this oil diffuser from Sztrokia. It is a 300 milliliter aromatherapy diffuser, and you can also use it as a cool mist humidifier or even just a decorative nightlight. There is 24 color changing, and it is a metal case base, which I thought that was so cool. This is so pretty. It's really heavy compared to my other ones, but I am so obsessed with oil diffusers just like I am succulents and moss, so I thought this would be just a perfect video to throw all of them in one. But make sure you guys go check this out. I will leave the link in the description box below. I really love all the lighting, and I just think this is so pretty. I cannot wait to use this in the dark. I just think it looks so neat. I tried turning off the lights, but it just didn't even do justice even using this on camera. It also has a waterless shut off, and it also has 3 buttons at the bottom, and one is to turn it on and off. You can make this diffuser go for 1 hour, 3 hours, or 7 hours. You can turn the light on or off, and then you can make the mist go a little bit stronger if you just push that button on the end. But this is like the quietest oil diffuser that I have. I think this is just so awesome. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!